Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.